public transport here in Dhaka. There is 3 types of public transports here, and the first one is CNGs, second one rickshaws, Uber, and buses. The most common one I've heard is buses because it's the cheapest one. Then probably after that is probably rickshaws. Then after that is the CNGs. Then Uber being the most expensive form of transportation. But in today's video, I want to try out the buses here in Dhaka, see how it is, try to experience it. I went online to do some research just to find out a little bit more about the buses here, whether it's for the government or it's owned privately. Couldn't find any information, so once I'm on the bus, I'm going to try and ask a few people, ask them if it's a private company or the government owns the bus services here. But being here in Dhaka, there's so many different types of buses you'll see, so I imagine they're probably private buses here. No, it's okay. But there's one thing that I know about the buses here is the price, and it starts from 10 Dhaka. I don't know how long the journey has to be for 10 Dhaka, but 10 Dhaka, that's roughly around 8p. So I'm just gonna wait for a bus to get on it, then after it's gonna take me to wherever. I have no idea. But there's one common bus that I always see here. I think it's called the BTS bus. It's a double-decker bus. It looks just like the London buses, so that's probably the bus I'm gonna try and take. And I think it's coming up, so I'm gonna hop on it now. Let's go.
Camera.
Off? No camera. No, just video me. No people.
Hello, camera off karo bhai.
Okay. So here in the buses here in Dhaka, I don't think there's a bus stop or anything like that. You just have to hop on wherever So if you see the bus that you're after, you just tell the person stop, and the person stops, then after you just hop on. It's quite exciting, running around the middle of the road and just jumping onto the buses. It's dangerous, but I don't know. And I paid the guy 20 taka. He was asking me where am I going. I have no idea where I'm going, so I didn't understand what he was saying as well, so I just gave him 20. But I'll try and ask someone that speaks a bit English just to understand exactly how it works around here. So let the journey start. I have no idea where I'm going, but let's go. Assalamu alaikum. Feels like the London buses here, the double-decker buses, but downstairs they have a guy who just stands beside the buses and calls people inside the bus. So if there's someone trying to hop onto the bus, he just bangs on the wall, the ceiling, whatever, just to warn the driver to slow down or to stop because someone wants to get off or someone wants to get on. And he collects all the money as well, so you just give the money to him. But yeah, it's a unique experience taking the buses here. So right now I'm just sitting upstairs on the top deck of the bus. No idea where I'm going, but I'm going somewhere. So let's enjoy the ride. Idea what's wrong with the bus, but it's moving really slow and it's kind of juttering back and forth. I don't know if it's running out of petrol or there's too many people inside it, but there's seriously something wrong with it though. Yeah, it just stopped now. No idea what's wrong with it. And on this part of Dhaka, just in the north of Dhaka, there isn't too much traffic. I imagine if it was on a bus like in the southern part of Dhaka, like the old Dhaka area, yeah, it would have been mayhem being on the buses. So here it's kind of decent, and plus it's not too hot, the weather is quite decent, so, and the bus is not too packed as well, so it's alright, it's not too bad. All the windows are all open, so the bus kind of feels like it's air conditioned. So it's a nice pleasant ride. So I've just met Mamoon here on the bus, and I'm going to ask you a few questions about the bus services here in Dhaka. Hopefully he's able to explain to me a little bit more because I have no idea. So all the buses here in Dhaka is government, all the bus?
All
of them?
But 0.5% all people.
Okay. And how much is the bus? How much you have to pay? How much taka you have to pay for the bus service?
Yeah, place on the 10 minutes only.
Yes.
10 taka.
10 taka. Okay. So how much is your journey? Your journey, how much are you paying?
5 taka.
5 taka?
Yeah.
I paid 20 taka. Yeah. So I have to go and get my money back. I have to go and ask the guy for my change. He has to give me money. And this bus, where is it going? It just goes straight, or it goes to Gulshan?
No. It's going to Muhammadpur.
Mamapu. Oh, very far. Wow. And where is it coming from? It's coming from Miepo, Uttara. Where is this bus coming from?
It's from Abdullah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very long journey. Well, thank you for that. Thank you. Thank you.
You are most welcome.
Okay. Thank you. So for the bus journey, I ended up paying the guy 20 taka when I was meant to pay him 5 taka. And I think 5 taka is meant to be for a yeah, 5 taka is meant to be for a 20-minute ride. And most people to pay, probably the maximum you probably be paying in it is probably 50 taka. You won't be paying any more than that. And the bus, I'm okay. And the bus is actually going a long way as well. It's going all the way to South Dhaka and to Old Dhaka, which is probably going to take like 3 hours to get there. So it has a long journey up ahead for it. So now I'm going to try and get on another bus to head back to where I'm living in Bashindara. And this time I'm probably going to pay the correct price. I'm not paying 20 taka or anything like that. I'll probably pay 5. So on to the next bus. Let's go. You know what? I was thinking to myself, I'll wait until it gets dark, then after I get on the bus. But it's not a good idea because the mosquitoes, they're coming out. As soon as the sun goes down, that's when the mosquito comes out. So I think it's probably best for me just get on the bus now. Yeah, before the mosquitoes completely ruin my skin. So just wait for a bus to come, then after I hop on it. Let's go. Bashindara. No, it's okay. So finally on the bus, heading back to Bashindara. This bus conductor, he was pretty cool, he's pretty friendly. I told him Bashindara and I gave him 10 taka. He was going to give me 5 taka back, but I just told him just to keep the 10. But the first one, I don't know if he understood what I was trying to say to him or whatever, but I gave him 20, he just took the 20. I think I overpaid for it. But this bus is quite packed downstairs, and I think the ladies, they normally sit downstairs. I've only seen one woman upstairs, but majority of the ladies, they're sitting downstairs, and the guys, they're all sitting upstairs. But yeah, the windows are open, it feels like it's air conditioned, nice little breeze coming through. So now just heading back to Bashindara. So I'm back to where it started here in Jamuna Future Park. So the bus journey was pretty interesting. It wasn't too difficult, anything like that. It was pretty simple to use the buses here. So yeah, I hope you got a little glimpse of how the buses here work and how packed it is, or how nice it looks inside. Hope you enjoyed that video. Now it's time for me to run back home because the mosquitoes, they're swamping me right now. They're literally surrounding me. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.